Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. You must be listening about smart city. Now in this video I am going to tell you what exactly smart city is and what are the infrastructure to be made available in smart city, and in today's condition why smart city is required. So watch this video till the end. First, let us understand what is smart city. To promote cities that provide core and basic infrastructure and give a safe and decent quality life to its citizen, and it is a replicable model so that the same model can be replicated in other cities. So this is called smart city. Now let us understand why smart cities are needed. As per one study, global population in cities will be 68% by 2050. So the increased population, strain on infrastructure, lack of affordable housing, increased congestion, rise in socio-economic inequality, increased pollution, insufficient medical facilities, unemployment. Looking at all these things, developing smart cities is the best possible solution. In a smart city, what are the facilities or infrastructure to be made available? I will explain you one by one in the next portion of the video. First, I will discuss about water management. In water management, various things are done. First is leakage identification and preventive maintenance. Then smart meter and taking water reading. Then water quality monitoring. Then uninterrupted flow to public. And everything is done through IoT, that is Internet of Things. So this is all about water management in smart cities. Now I'll explain you about waste management system in smart cities. The slogan for waste management is reuse, reduce, recycle. The first step is collection of wastes. Now those wastes are lifted through self-lifting vehicle or by manual lifting vehicle, or there is a special arrangement underground auto collection system. Now all the wastes are brought to a waste dump yard. Now some amount of wastes are converted to energy, electrical energy, which can be used for household things. Then some wastes are converted to compost, which can be used for cultivation, and there is a sewage treatment plant also in the smart cities. So this is all about waste management in a smart city. Now I'll explain you about smart mobility or smart transportation. Intelligent traffic management, that means through internet traffic movement will be monitored. Smart parking, that means if there is any open space, driver will come to know in advance. Intelligent multimodal transport, that means all kinds of transportation system will be made available in the smart city. Sharing e-bike, that means by paying anybody can avail those e-bikes. Traffic monitoring, that means by sitting in the control room, whole smart cities traffic can be monitored and controlled. Smart energy management system, in this renewable sources of energy to be ensured like wind power, solar power, etc. Energy efficient green buildings to be made in the smart cities. Smart electricity meters to be installed. Uninterrupted electric supply to be ensured for the citizen. So this is all about energy management system. E-governance and citizen service. In this, following things are to be ensured: CCTV surveillance, drone surveillance, face reading of individual movement monitoring, video crime monitoring, control room watch. So these are the things to be ensured in a smart city for e-governance and citizen service. Telemedicine. In this, by sitting at home, one can talk to doctor and get medicine. E-education. It is also like that. By sitting at home, one can get education. Skill development centers. In smart cities, skill development centers to be ensured for young professionals. Open space and sports area. So these are the things to be ensured in a smart city. Smart home and buildings. In these, affordable houses to be ensured for poor people. High-rise, good-looking buildings. In this, well-spaced and aligned buildings providing better natural light and ventilation for the residents to be ensured. Walkways and cycling path. In this, pedestrian-friendly neighborhood with tree-lined footpaths and recreational areas to be ensured. Smart connectivity. In this, super fast internet connection to be ensured, free Wi-Fi to be given to all the citizens, cyber security to be ensured through artificial intelligence. Smart toilet and sanitation, waterfront, sustainable development here to ensure sufficient greeneries in and around for sustainable future. Rainwater harvesting. So these are the things also to be ensured in a smart city. Airport, train and highway connectivity to be ensured with the smart city. Smart street lighting to be used. Here solar energy can be used. Modern shopping mall and entertainment hall to be developed in the smart city. High-tech auditoriums are to be made in the smart city. Preservation of heritage, art and culture to be ensured in the smart city. Tourism to be developed in the smart city. Now I'll tell you world top few smart cities names. peaceful and quality life for the citizen. So this is all about smart cities. So viewers, hope now you have got a fair idea about smart city, and I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like this video, share this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching this video.